Here is a small problem for beginners. Mathematics. If 9 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 729, and what is the value of x? So let us see here. 9 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 729. Here 729 can be written as 9 into 9 into 9, that is called 9 cube. So here what we have, 9 power 2x minus 3 is equal to 9 cube. Now here two bases are same, then it will become the now equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. So let us solve this equation. 2x is equal to 3 plus 3. 2x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 by 2. Finally, x is equal to 3. So this is the final answer. X is equal to 3. This is the small problem for the beginners. Thank you for watching our video.